Raindrop, drop top, smoking on cooking the hot box, fucking on your bitch, yeah. Cooking up dope in the crock pot.
Hey guys, it's Ray, and today I actually did some flips of the foam pit that I showed you guys in the second video. I think no, the first video, and I actually did it off the table, and I didn't get much clips of it. I only got one clip, but it was on Snapchat, and the camera died like right after I did the flip. But I landed it. I actually landed it with a flip. But in the clip you're gonna see after this clip is I kind of messed up, but it's sort of good. But I'm telling you, I could land the front flip now, and I will show you guys. We'll go over there tomorrow, but it'll still be in this video. I'll show you tomorrow when I wake up and get ready that I can actually land the front flip. We did so many flips, but I landed it. And you're about to see the clip right now. The padding that you saw that I used, I don't need the padding no more. I could just use fall-on grass and cement. Like, I can actually use it now. I don't need the padding no more. And the flip that you saw, I didn't land it because it was like one of the first flips that we did when we got out there. But like on throughout, like we stayed there for like 2 hours just doing flips constantly, and slower I got better and I actually landed it. Guys, it's 2 in the morning and I just finished editing the Hot Cheetos and Takis challenge, and I actually like how I edited the video because it was actually pretty nice the way I edited the video. I find it funny. I like zoomed in certain spots and like made it slow in some certain spots, and I just think that is pretty nice. But I'm gonna go to sleep right now and get back at you guys in the morning. Alright guys, so last night, well, not last night, but like earlier in the vlog, I told you that we are gonna do some flips, but people took the pads and actually threw it away in a dumpster. So we're about to go get some more, but we're gonna go past the haunted pool house. So we're gonna go to the pool house right now. And I did get like 12 likes on the video, so I guess I have to check it out. And it's right there. We're about to go right now. Alright guys, we're here. We got like 12 likes, so I said 10 likes and we'll check it out. So we're gonna actually like open the door, see.
Try to open it.
Yeah, and like see what's in it. Shit, ready? Should we start with this door? We have a glove so we won't have our fingerprint on it. Ready? It's obviously locked. Oh shit, look. But they have this. Oh shit. Yeah.
Somebody's looking at the window. It's okay, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Dude, that would be creepy to that.
Next door. Do you want to check inside the window?
Oh. That's creepy.
Dude, that door looks unlocked. Look at it. That door looks unlocked. Does it not look unlocked?
Look at the window. It's creepy.
Does that door not look unlocked?
It looks unlocked.
Shit, we have to. We have to. Right here. How do it?
Because you have your gloves, so like, you have to do it. Check what's in it, like, try to knock on it. Ooh, that kind of open. Try that one.
Dude, I don't want to do this. Nope, that door's fucked up. No. Next is this door. As you can see, somebody tried to break in.
And somebody tried to play tic-tac-toe on top of it. Look.
Oh yeah, tic-tac-toe. It's not scary.
Look. Ooh.
Check the bathrooms now. This way it's only one way out. So if it does open, If it does open, I mean, it's gonna be hard to get out.
Ooh, that scared me.
Let's check this door. Ready?
I'm not the one that's like you.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, this.
It's locked.
Check this door.
It's open. It's open.
No.
It's fucking open.
No way.
I think it is.
No.
I just tried to open it.
No way. Give me it. Look, give me the glove. No way. I didn't believe him, so I'm gonna go try it out right now.
Pull it out.
No, I wouldn't. Right here. I did more doors. What?
I'm just.
What?
No.
You didn't even try it.
I did. This is a piss.
Okay, so let's check the windows.
Yeah.
Fuck. This is the scary part. Because we actually don't know what's inside of it. It could be like dead bodies or like.
I think
No. Something's in there. It's white. It's white. Well, we tried opening all the doors.
That's creepy. Look, come closer. It looks like somebody's peeking out. Look,
Where?
look right there in the blinds thing. It's like a little hole. Like, that's creepy.
Well, it was 15 likes and we'll look inside the window. Alright, so I'm gonna end the video here. How many likes did we get? How many likes?
I mean, there's no point if just checking your windows. Yeah, I'll check your windows.
Like, look, try to look inside. Shit. I'm gonna end the video here. I don't know what. I mean, we tried seeing what's in the doors, but we tried opening the doors, but it just didn't work. Check the windows, it's all locked. I don't know what we're gonna do, but if you want us to sleep on it, on the roof, if you want us to sleep on it, 25 likes and we will sleep on it. If you want us to sleep on it, 25 likes. And that's not gonna happen, so we're not gonna sleep on the roof, so.
I mean, there's a 50-50 chance. Not like a 40-50 chance. So like,
Subscribe, like, comment, and deuces.